Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Countertop 1000 watt base and total crushing technology for smoothies, ice, and frozen fruit, black, blender plus pitcher.
Professional power. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Power source. Corded electric. Amperage. 12.5 amps. XL capacity. The 72 ounces professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Intelligent technology. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds. Ice crushing. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Recipe inspiration. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish making inspiration. Easy cleanup. Pitcher is BPA free and dish.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.